Hello, everyone. This is going to be a quick video on how to install Matt's RLT moving average indicator into TradingView or any indicator for that matter. This is just one method of installing an indicator in case you can't install it through the normal channels through TradingView. They're selective on what they allow people to publish. This is one that they would not allow published since it was too similar to other indicators that are already out there. So this is a backdoor for that. Okay, so you simply need to cut the code or copy the code from wherever it's accessed. This happens to be on a private Slack channel for a group with real life trading. So we're just going to highlight this code, right click, copy the code. We're going to move over to our TradingView platform. Bottom left corner, you're going to see Pine Editor. You're going to want to open that. If there's already script in here, you can go ahead and just remove this script. As you can see, this is the real life trading moving average script. I'm going to just delete that out of there. Once you've got a blank slate, if you can't delete that for some reason, if you already have some uneditable code in there, you can just come over here and click on more, and you can open a new tab, etc. However you want to get to a new window. You can just right click in the space and you can say open script or open editor, a new tab, open editor, a new window. There's various ways to do that. So we're just going to simply right click. Now that we have a blank slate, we're going to click paste. And there's the original code that was posted in our Slack channel. If you're happy with this code, then you just simply click add to chart. And as you can see, everything popped up there. And then I'm just going to click save. Add to chart puts it on my chart. Save adds it to my indicator list. I'll leave the name the same as what Matt posted it as. Now that will be saved in my indicator list. And I'm going to go ahead and click the star, which is going to add it to my favorites. This is where I keep all of the stuff that I prefer to have right up front. So if I go up to my indicators, I click on my favorites list and I scroll down alphabetically, you'll see real life trading MAs. That's the name of the code. If I click on my indicators in general and I am on my favorites and I scroll down, you'll see real life trading moving averages, and you'll see the star next to it, which means it's on my favorites list, which is where I went first to see if it was there. So I've got it on my chart, I've got it in my favorites, I've got it in my Pine editor, and now I can edit it because he was generous enough not to lock this code. So as you can see here, you don't really need to know any coding. You can just simply change one thing if you want to make some quick changes. You've got the colors here. So he's got the 10 EMA as red, the 20 EMA as blue, the 50 EMA as green, the 100 SMA as blue, and the 200 SMA as red. Now, he's got the line widths different. He's got those thinner to thicker. I prefer to have my indicators all different colors so I can look at them at a glance. I don't have to pay attention to the thickness of the lines. I'll leave the thickness of the lines the way he has them, but I'm going to change a couple of colors in here. So I'm going to go to my 100, which is blue. And I'm just going to mouse over the blue box. I'm going to go up to here. I'm going to drag this to, let's go with a purple. I'm going to pick a purple color in there. Let's go up here, actually make it jump out a little more. And then I'm going to click off of that. Then I'm going to go to the red. And let's make the 200, let's say orange, or an orange black. We'll go with that. Now you can see that these colors have changed. I'm going to go here and I'm going to click update chart. And now you can see that it's changed those colors to the ones that I picked. I'm going to save that again. And now it's saved that permanently on my indicator as well as saved it on my chart. Once I'm done doing that, I can just click the minimize button and there's my indicator. Now, if I go in here and open my settings, you can see in here I've got my plot lines. I can change my colors through here as well, or you can change them in the code. If you change them through here, they will stay the way they are as long as you have this indicator on there. If you close this and you were to install it again, it would go back to the original, which is why I changed it in the code, because this will be permanent now. You can also go in and change the type of lines if you prefer to do that. Your precision is on here. All of this stuff is basically the same. This is how accurate, whether it's going to have any kind of deviation or anything, and just leave it at default is what I do. You can put your labels on your price scale, which is over here. You can put your values in the status line, which is over here. Visibility, same as usual. You've got what chart, what time frame it's going to show up on. So if you don't want to see this on your monthly chart, you can unclick this on the monthly and the weekly. If you go to the monthly and the weekly, you won't see these indicators. You won't see these moving averages. That's what the visibility means. All right, so there we have it. That is all set up the way I would like it. It'll be there whenever I go in there to use it. If I want to add it to other charts, I just go into my favorites, scroll down, click on it. I can put it on any chart I want to put it on. If you lose this code, you would have to, or you lose this indicator, you would have to have access to get that script again. It is not located in the list of published indicators, which is why we have to install it this way. We've got one individual in here with me live. Andrew, you got any questions on any of this?
I don't. That's very straightforward and simple. Thank you so much.
All right, good deal, man. We will see you in the trading room to see you in the next class.
Thanks, Lucian.
All right, thanks, Andrew. Have a good one. All right, folks, that's it. Any questions, hit me up in Slack. If you're in the 90-day class, other than that, enjoy your day, folks.